TFNN. Headline News Update.
Good morning, everybody. I'm Tommy O'Brien coming to you live from TFNN, 9 a.m. Eastern Time update. 30 minutes to go until the opening bell. We got markets in positive territory. Weekly jobless claims, 5.245 million. Market looking for about 5 million. Pretty muted response so far as the market just takes it in stride. That's 22 million jobs over the 4-week period. Weekly jobless claims lost in this market. Start things off. Let's jump over to the charts. We have the NASDAQ right now up 82 points, the Dow up 72 points, S&P is positive by 12. You got the oil contract up 36 pennies at 20.24 right now, and gold up $12 at 17.52, but we had been higher. You'll see the drop off we've had in gold since that 830 number. We'll start it off with the Dow, 23,458. We were as high as about 23,647 overnight. You see the little bit of volatility at 8:30 we had spiking higher. We're within almost 50 Dow points from where we were prior to that jobless claims number. 5.2 million. I think the market says that's completely reasonable. We knew that was coming, and we got it. NASDAQ 100 right up near the session highs that we had pre-market of 86.92. Actually spiked briefly above that level to 86.96, and we're currently right there at 86.81. S&P's at 27.89. Your spike on the jobless claims number, 27.99. We were a few points higher overnight at 28.04. Crude oil market, tough market indeed. Yesterday, 19.22. This morning, we're trading at about $20.23. So you're up about a buck higher on the 24 hours. And there's your drop off in gold. As I mentioned, we were about $15 higher. We were at 17.67, pulling back to 17.54. In terms of what else we have happening in the market, Morgan Stanley out with their earnings. Profits fall short, but trading beats estimates on market volatility. To check out Morgan Stanley shares this morning, MS going to open a bit lower, about $1 lower right now, from 38.40 to 37.41. As I mentioned that, we have the S&P's up 0.5%, Morgan Stanley down 1%. Other news out there. Weekly jobless claims we covered, 5.245 billion. That now puts 22 million positions have been lost due to the coronavirus. U.S. housing starts out today as well, plunging 22.3% to 1.216 million in March versus 1.3 million expected. And Abbott out with their earnings, 16% drop in profit. Abbott, one of the companies potentially trying to create some type of a vaccine. And there's your volatility as we climb towards 92.45 that we were at on January 22nd in Abbott. Stay tuned, folks. Larry Pesavento live at 9. I'll be back at 10 o'clock with Tom, live programming.